Jai Swaminarayan everyone. Good morning to you all. Today I am going to continue the next topic that is there in BO for 12th standard commerce, and it is about the functions of management. So management involves various functions like planning, organizing, directing, controlling and staffing. The first function of management is planning. So, planning is about deciding the functions or activity that are needed to be undertaken in business. Second thing, it reduces the risk and uncertainties that may prevail in the business in near future. So, planning is important in order to reduce the risk and uncertainties of business. Third thing is planning is necessary for the systematic proceedings of the activities that are being undertaken in business. For example, it ensures that the activities of business are being undertaken in a systematic manner. Fourth point is planning serves as a base for the other functions of management. Means it provides the base or foundations for the other functions of management like directing, organizing, controlling, staffing, etc. So this point states the importance as well as the meaning why the planning is required in business. Second point is about organizing. So organization is a structure for the assignment of authorities and responsibility among individuals that are working in a group for the accomplishment of objectives. So you can understand that organization is a structure that is required or that is being made for the assignment of authorities and responsibility among the individual for the accomplishment of some goals that are related to business. Second point, divisions of activity. You can also state that the activities of the business is divided among sections or group of people for the accomplishment of objectives while the business is organizing something. Third point is distribution of work. If the policies and objectives which are being decided at the planning stage, if that policies and decisions are to be implemented, for that the distribution of work, authority and responsibility is required. So if the proper distribution of work is there among the individuals working in an organization or working in a business unit, and proper assignment of authority and responsibility is there, then the proper organization will be undertaken, or you can say proper structure is formed for the implementation of different activities of business. So organization or organizing, if the planning is the brain of business, then you can say organizing is the body of the business which implements the things that are being decided at the planning stage. Third point is staffing. Staffing is related to availing and maintaining satisfactory workforce, or you can say satisfactory manpower. Means it involves the function that is related to recruitment of right person for right position at right time with right qualification. So here staffing take into consideration the employees which are working in the organization, and it emphasizes on the satisfaction or try to boost the morale of the employees. So at the staffing stage, the satisfactions of the employees is being considered because the employees are responsible for the success of any business. Second point is staffing is a employee oriented function because staffing includes retirement, promotion, transfer, training, etc. That why the staffing is also being termed as a employee oriented function. Third point is at present the staffing also include manpower planning, human resource development and job analysis, so that the employees or the staff that is there in the business unit tend to provide the required result or the expected result which is being actually being considered or which is being framed on them. So staffing is a function that is undertaken in order to grab the result which is being expected from an employee. Directing take into consideration the activities or the thing that is being done in order to guide and supervise the employees for the accomplishment of business objectives. Second point, other functions of the management like planning, controlling, organizing will be worthless if the directing is not there. So directing is required at every level of management. It take into consideration that the activities like who will supervise and the passing of orders and instruction, as well as you can also say directing also tend to establish the interrelations among individuals. So directing take into consideration the activities like who will supervise and what are the activities or what are the work to be done by the individual, as well as you can also take into consideration to limit the work and the other things, means the interrelation which should have to be there in the work of employees. Third, it is required at every level of management. So proper passing of instruction and orders should have to be there for the proper working of every level of management like top, middle and bottom level of management. If the proper direction will not take place, then the employees or worker move or do the work in their own way, which will not give the desired result for the business. Fifth point is controlling. Controlling is about maintaining the balance between effort, result, resources and objectives. This is also being done in order to acquire the desired result for the business. So it is about maintaining the balance between the resources, that is human or non-human resources, objectives means the purpose which is being decided for the business, and you can say results means the target that is being decided for the business or that is being decided by the higher authorities of the business. To maintain the balance between them, that is controlling. Okay, controlling take into consideration that the activities of the business are being undertaken in conformity with the planning or not. Means it take into consideration that whether the activities of the business are being performed in conformity with the plans or not. So you can also take into consideration that controlling is a corrective action or the corrective activity that is being undertaken to direct the flow of activities into right direction. That is why controlling is also being considered as a corrective activities of business or a corrective activity of business. So these are the functions of management that you have to take into consideration while giving the explanation. about the functions of management. Today I am going to explain you one more topic, and it is there in BO in 12th standard commerce, and it is about coordination. So what is coordination? Coordination is maintaining the balance or harmony among different activities of the department that are being undertaken in a business unit. So coordination is related to maintaining harmony or balance for the activities that are being undertaken in different departments. Here I have stated the characteristics of coordination. So the first point here is management process is not possible without coordination. Coordination can be found in every part of the business. From planning to controlling, coordination is required. That's why you can say that the management process cannot take place on its own without proper coordination. Second thing is at every level of management. Yes, proper coordination is required at every level of the management, at the top, middle and bottom level of management for the systematic proceeding of the business enterprise. Third, depends on effective communication. Yes, the success of proper coordination or the success of coordination depends on effective communication that takes place between the higher authorities and the employees and workers. Fourth point is optimum utilization of resources. Resources means man, machine, material, and the other resources that are being utilized by the business. So they can be utilized at the optimum or at the required extent if the proper coordination is there in business. Fifth point is soul of management. So the coordination is considered as a soul of management because it can be found in every part of management process. Sixth point is cooperation. Yes, cooperation among the employees is necessary. Cooperation among the employees is necessary for proper coordination of activities of different departments. So without cooperation among the employees, the proper coordination of activities will not take place in a business enterprise. Next point is related to importance of coordination. So the first point here is makes the other functions of management effective. A proper coordination make the other function of management effective. For example, the planning, direction or directing, organizing, etc. effective. That's why the coordination is important. If the proper coordination will not be there, then the planning, directing, organization or organizing will not take place in a desired manner. Okay, it also ensures that the business activities will move in proper manner or in a easy manner. So coordination makes the complicated or difficult proceedings of the business easy. That's why also the coordination is required in business. Maintains harmony or balance among the different activities of the department. The coordination is important because it maintains, as it is being also stated in its meaning, that it is helpful to maintain the balance or harmony among or between different activities that are being undertaken in business enterprise. It maintains time and order between the activities that are being undertaken in a department of a business unit. So coordination is also helpful to maintain the proper time and order of activities that are being undertaken in a business unit. Okay, the fifth point is related to coordination does not leave any incomplete work, and it also helps to avoid the duplication of work. So with the help of coordination, the proper work can be completed at the right time, and the duplication of work can also be avoided. Sixth, it has to achieve the predetermined objectives. Yes, coordination is also a function of management that has to achieve the predetermined objectives of the business. So these are the points that are related to characteristics and importance of coordination. Thank you.